still doing SEO the old way, AI is transforming how SEO is done. And if you are not using it, you're already behind. Hi, this is Priya from RabbitLoader. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage AI-powered SEO tools to boost your rankings, improve page speed, and optimize content without the manual effort. We will cover the latest AI tools for keyword research, content optimization, and internal linking to help you stay ahead of your competitors. SEO is evolving fast and AI is changing how we should approach it. Google's algorithms are smarter than ever. Ranking high isn't just about adding keywords anymore. If you are still using old SEO methods, you are not just making things harder for yourself, you're also wasting time on activities AI can handle efficiently and accurately. AI isn't just a tool. Think of it as your SEO assistant. It researches keywords, optimizes content, and can even help you create content all with precision. Instead of spending hours on tedious SEO activities, AI lets you focus on more productive areas like creating content and growing your business while it takes care of your technical work. So let's start with the foundation of SEO, finding the right keywords. AI for keyword research. A big mistake in SEO is chasing random low competition keywords without a long-term strategy. Instead of just picking keywords you think you can rank for, you should focus on building topical authority. Google favors websites that cover a subject in depth rather than those that post scattered content. That's why your goal should be to dominate a niche by consistently publishing content around a core topic. To do this, you need to plan a list of content pieces that fully cover a subject. Instead of writing one article and moving on, create a cluster of related content that answers every possible questions about the topic. Now, traditional tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs still play a key role in this. They help you find valuable keywords within your niche, analyze what's already ranking and why, discover content gaps that competitors haven't covered. But AI is making keyword research even smarter. For example, exploding topic helps you stay ahead by spotting trends before they go mainstream. If you create content early, you face less competition and get more traffic when the topic gains popularity. Then there's Answer the Public, which helps you plan your content strategy by pulling real user questions from search engines. Instead of guessing what people want, you can structure your content to directly answer their queries. By combining SEMrush, Ahrefs, and AI-driven tools, you are not just chasing keywords. You are building a strong, authoritative presence in your niche, creating and analyzing content with AI. Now that you have the right keywords, let's talk about creating content. AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and ChatGPT have made content creation faster than ever. But relying on AI to generate full blog posts might not be the best approach for your website or brand. Why? Because AI doesn't create truly original content. It pulls from existing sources and rewrites them, which means your content might not add anything new to the conversation. It could sound generic and lack the unique voice of your brand. Google may not rank it well if it doesn't provide fresh insight or value. That doesn't mean AI isn't useful. Instead of replacing human writing, you can use AI to enhance and streamline your content creation process. Plan your content structure with AI-generated outlines. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you organize your ideas before you start writing. Maintain a consistent tone across all your content. AI can help you ensure your messaging stays aligned with your brand identity. Keep your content focused. AI tools can prevent your articles from going off topic, helping you stay aligned with user intent. But creating content is just the first step. You also need to analyze and optimize it to make sure it performs well. This is where natural language processing tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, and MarketMuse comes in. These tools scan your content and compare it to top ranking pages. They help you ensure you're using the right keywords naturally within your content. Improve readability so your audience stays engaged. Identify content gaps so you can add missing information and stand out from competitors. A great way to refine your content is by answering real user questions that people are already searching for. Use Google search suggestions or Answer the Public to find common questions related to your topic. This can help your content rank higher and make it more useful to your audience. For example, if you're writing about best SEO strategies for 2025, Answer the Public might show questions like, what is the most effective SEO strategy? How long does SEO take to show results? What SEO mistakes should I avoid? By answering these directly in your content, you create more valuable, engaging, and SEO friendly articles that truly help your audience. Page speed. You can have the best content and the perfect keywords, but if your website loads slowly, it can still struggle to rank. Google prioritizes websites that offer a great user experience, and page speed plays a huge role in that. A slow website affects multiple ranking factors. Users leave quickly, increasing bounce rates. Low engagement and dwell time signals to Google that your content isn't valuable. Frustrated visitors are less likely to return, reducing your overall traffic. That's why improving your page speed score is critical. A well-optimized site ensures faster load times, keeping user engaged, a smooth and responsive browsing experience, stability in page elements so users don't get frustrated with unexpected shifts. It also helps you pass Google's Core Web Vital test, which directly impacts search rankings. Sites that meet these performance benchmarks are more likely to rank higher because they deliver a better experience for visitors. A good page speed score also improves conversions. Whether you run a blog, an e-commerce store, or a business website, a fast site means visitors are more likely to stay, explore, and take action. One way to achieve this is by using RabbitLoader, which optimizes images, scripts, and implement caching to make sure your website runs smoothly across all devices. Check your page speed score today and see where you stand. If your site takes more than few seconds to load, it's time to optimize. If you're using WordPress, install the RabbitLoader plugin to instantly improve your site speed and pass Core Web Vitals effortlessly. AI for internal linking. Now that your website is fast and optimized, the next step is making sure your content is well connected. A strong internal linking strategy can significantly improve your website's SEO. It helps search engines discover new pages, understand the relationship between different content pieces, and distribute ranking power across your site. But manually finding and adding internal links can be a time-consuming process. You have to go through multiple pages, find relevant anchor text, and then edit each post individually. That's where DoFollow AI makes things easier. DoFollow AI scans your website and finds internal linking opportunities based on your existing content. It doesn't just suggest links, it shows you exactly where you can add them and lets you insert them directly from its platform. You don't even need to visit your website to make the changes. This means you never miss a chance to strengthen your internal linking structure. Your important pages gets more visibility and ranking power. You save hours of manual work by managing everything in one place. And if you're an agency managing multiple websites, DoFollow AI can save you an immense amount of time. Instead of logging into each site individually, you can find and add internal links across multiple projects from a single dashboard. If you want to improve your internal linking strategy effortlessly, try DoFollow AI today. SEO is evolving fast, and AI tools are making it easier to optimize websites, create better content, and improve user experience. We have covered how AI helps with keyword research, content creation, page speed optimization, and internal linking. All essentials for better rankings and higher traffic. But having the right strategy is just the beginning. Taking action is what makes the difference. Check your website's SEO performance today and start optimizing. Use RabbitLoader to improve your page speed, enhance user experience, and pass core web vitals effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more SEO insights. Let us know in the comments what is the biggest SEO challenge you are facing right now.